This is video number 2 of the home hair cutting project. I have my kit set out, and today I'm going to demonstrate cutting my son's hair. I have my clippers, and I already went ahead and put an 1/8 of an inch guard. During the summertime, I like to keep his hair cut short. I have an extra guard out too, a 3/8, just in case I want to do a shorter around the bottom and a little bit longer at the top. I'll use a comb if necessary to comb any hairs away that I need to see if I need to get those cut. And also, I have scissors so I can edge up around his ears. The one thing with this kit is that this is pretty much all that I use to cut his hair. The rest of this, all of these guards, I don't necessarily use. Now, of course, the oil I'll use too, just in case, every couple times to oil the blades. But all of this stuff is just not used. It's kind of like extra. My husband might use some of it, but he pretty much uses no guard at all, or he'll use the short guard, the 1/8 or the 3/8. Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate on my son, RJ. And if I was going to start cutting his hair, I would go against the grain. I would start from the top, and this is kind of difficult trying to video and hold at the same time. I would go against the way his hair grew. Okay, so I would do the top first, and then I would start on the sides, and then I would work my way to the back. Okay, once his hair was cut, and I like to keep a towel around him just because the hair, he finds it very itchy and irritating, so I try to help him out by keeping a towel around him. Then I would use the scissors just to trim around his ear and maybe his neckline, mainly around his ear. And then I would use the comb for any type of combing. Like if I were to cut longer at the top and then shorter at the bottom, which right now he does need a haircut actually, then I would use this comb to use the top to lay it down and see where I needed to cut. So that way he has a straight haircut. And this is how I would demonstrate cutting my son's hair.